Learn the basics of terms and connectors searching and take your research to a deeper level of focus using the Advanced Search page in Nexis Uni. Open the Advanced Search page by clicking the link under the search box. The page defaults to Search Everything. Select desired content from the pull-down menu, and the search form will change according to the selection. A sample document showing the segments matching the selected content is located on the right with descriptions of the segments. While each form has unique segments, all the forms start with the terms section that includes the most popular connectors to start building a search. Terms entered into all of these terms are connected with AND. Any of these terms are connected with OR. This exact phrase will place quotes around the terms. And exclude these terms will use the AND NOT connector. As terms are entered and the Add button is pressed, the search starts to build in the search box above. Additional information on connectors and their use case can be found on the right. Let's add a proximity connector to bring terms closer together. Then we'll use a wildcard to search variations of words. Entering terms into the headline segment will help to focus results further. As terms are entered into the segment boxes, they are automatically added to the search box along the top. Terms used in the search are highlighted in the results for quick review. Save searches and articles in a folder or set up as an alert to share with colleagues and stakeholders. Now you're ready to advance your research in Nexis Uni.